The recipe book. Once there lived a man named Raju. He owned a small hotel. Everyone who visited his hotel liked the food as it was very tasty. Raju also supplied food on bulk orders. One day, he got a big order to cook dinner for a party. But unfortunately, he fell ill and was quite worried. He said to himself, I'm not feeling well and not even able to get out of the bed. How can I cook for many people? Raju did not want to lose the opportunity. He decided to cook. But suddenly he fainted. The recipe book saw this. Immediately he talked to his friends. The recipe book said, my dear friends, our Raju fell ill. He is on bed and is not able to cook food for the big party. I want to help Raju. Who will come with me now? The bot came and said, I am big enough to prepare rice for the party. May I join you? I can grind the things that you need for cooking in minutes, said the mixer. A knife came and said, I can slice and dice the vegetables. Get ready, my dear tomatoes, chilies, and onions. Here I come. Finally, the stove came and said, hello, can I help you? Yes, you are most welcome, said the recipe book. Come on, friends, let's begin cooking, said the recipe book, and they prepared all the dishes for the dinner. Raju woke up after a couple of hours and entered the kitchen. He was surprised. He said to himself, I can't believe this. All the food for the party is ready. Raju tasted the food and it was delicious. He realized it was done by recipe book. He looked at the recipe book and said, who helped you in cooking? The recipe book pointed to the pot, the mixer, the knife, and the stove. Raju thanked them all for preparing such delicious dinner.